Hi guys, so today I'm wearing my favorite color and I've made my favorite spice. Imagine what a coincidence here. So on today's episode we'll be flying all the way to Nepal. One, it is not my first time going to Nepal, it's my second time going to Nepal, and the reason as why it's my second time it's because some people just watch my videos and they don't comment down below and tell me which country would you want to see me going next, so but anyway, guys, come with me as we go to Nepal and make this spice at the comfort of our home. And even though you don't have a dehydrator, an oven, or microwave, or an air fryer, buckle up because you're going to make this spice from scratch. And you don't need that, okay? So buckle up and let's go. So, guys, here we have our ginger root, okay? And I really have a lot of them, but I've already peeled them, okay? This is the only remaining bit because it would have been so boring showing you me peeling all those ginger roots, right? So yeah, I know that you can use a spoon, but hey guys, my fingers are aching. I'll just have to do the easy way. So you can either use a knife or a spoon. Okay. So first things first, peel this. So here we have all our ginger roots. The next step is to thoroughly wash your ginger roots, because by the you know this, whatever has vegetables that are usually roots, they're usually very, very dirty. The gingers, the potatoes, so you just have to wash them well. Personally, you see, after I peel, I just soak them in this water. I think that is why the dirt is coming off easily. All this ginger costed me $2. That one was a win. I just found a cheaper plan. So this is me rinsing this with running water, because cleanliness is of utmost importance in the kitchen. So everything is perfect. Just take it. See, everything is clean. Next we have this. So I'm already done. Look at that, guys. Can you see the way I've put them well? The way I've layered them, okay? So let's go and hang them outside. So guys, we are outside. The weather is sunny. They're just going to place them outside. So we are on day 2 with the ginger, okay? We are on day 2 with the ginger. This is how the ginger looks like. Can you see? Maybe you can't even believe that it is day 2 because they really look like they're so crunchy. But they are not, the feel is not as crunchy because it has a little bit of moisture. Can you see that? Yeah, so this is what we have in day 2. I never expected them to have this less water like this. So let's meet up on day 3. On day 3, okay, guys, can you see what I'm seeing? Okay, right now the ginger roots are very, very hard. Look at that, they are so hard, so hard. Okay, I'm trying to see whether I can grind the ginger with my own hands, and it turns out that yes, I can. And they really have a strong sweet ginger smell. See, so there is no moisture left. According to me, no moisture left. You see, by the making ginger powder is so easy. You see, they're so crunchy. Look at that. Look at that, guys. See? I think it's actually ready, but I'll still let it be outside till they fall. So we are on day 4, and this is how our ginger looks like. Look, day 5 will be the last day. Because can you see? You can even get the ginger powder from just crushing, right? Look at that. You see? And it's perfect. So guys, there we have our ginger. Let me see. It's very crunchy. So it's ready. Also, one thing I also learned online is that if you take a piece of your grated ginger roots and you break it, you see, if you don't see any moisture, maybe it's very strong. If you don't see any moisture, it's ready. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to put that there, and then we start the grinding process. So here we have our ginger spice. My gosh. So this is our ginger spice. Look at it. And maybe it's very, 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 very soft. Does not have any chunks. Look at that. Perfect. And this is the first batch. I'll still show you the second batch that we can compare what we have in total. A ginger spice, imagine all this. Oh my god, when is this going to end? So if you've watched this video up to this point, kindly comment down below and tell me what you'd love to see using our ginger spice. Of course, you know, we can even make some ginger cookies, some ginger chai, you know, all those things. So comment down below and enlighten me on other recipes, of course, that involve ginger spice, right? So this is what we've made. Oh my gosh. And imagine guys, it is just sun drying. So what is preventing you from making your own ginger at home? What is preventing you? I'm sure you don't have any excuse, right? Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching, and see you on the next travel. Bye.